Alright, let me show you how to use wireless CarPlay box. First we get the box. We need to find this cable in the box. We connect the box with the data cable. Then plug the box into the USB of the original car. This USB is definitely connected. It's a USB port with data transfer, not just a USB charger. The box is working. Normal times. The original car screen opens Baidu CarLife. That's when the engine recognizes the box. If this welcome page doesn't appear, flash back or turn, he'll back off. This kind of proof of the engine, it's not compatible with this box. Only when this welcome page appears, can be used normally. You can also search for the box's Bluetooth. Without this welcome page, I can't get this Bluetooth on my phone. At this time, we'll be able to pair them over the phone's Bluetooth. For the first time we need to pair. After pairing and normal use, you can connect back automatically. You don't have to repair. As long as we keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, you can connect automatically. Click to use CarPlay. That's when he can connect to wireless CarPlay. Can also be turned off. Okay, so this is the way to use it. Thank you.